GIL'S. I love the smell of rubber in the morning. Gotta find the right seasonal rims that's gonna attract the clientas.
Tio Juve.
Hey, ¿qué pasó, compadre?
What's up, man?
Hey, I had told last time, compadre Gil, I want some like that, but instead of American force, I wanted to say Mexican force.
Mexican force.
Hey,
I mean,
igualito.
we could do it in the back.
Okay.
Spray paint it.
Okay, I can see it now, dog. I can see it now. Every so often, I like to switch it up. Like every quarter, hey, swap out the rims. Keep them never let them know your next move.
Incognito.
That way the clientas are like, is that his car? And they don't know what car to key.
Okay, makes sense.
See?
Yeah.
Keep them guessing.
Yes, sir.
On a swivel. A ver, what else you got?
So what size are you looking for now?
Man, I'm thinking like some 24s.
I got 24s that'll work. Now, do you want to lift your truck? You're gonna make it off-road, street like? These are street wheels. Otherwise, we got off-road stuff, and we'll lift your truck, put some big old tires on it.
Yeah, if I want to go find a country girl clienta, let's take her mudding. Let's go to the lake, chiquitita.
If you're trying to inherit a ranch,
Ahí
está.
Los terrenos, bro.
Yep.
Okay, off-road. We want to see off-road.
Off-road.
Hey, I need a country girl.
There you
A
go.
mí me gustan los biscuits and gravy, dumplings, todo ese pedo.
So we got 20s, 22s, 24s. You could put a 22 by 12, 24 by 12, or 20 by 10, or 20 by 10, 12.
Esa cuál es? En la Tajo.
That's a 24 by 12.
En la Tajo. Mira, eso se llaman the panty droppers. Get your passport ready, chiquitita. I don't know where you're gonna take me, but you're gonna wanna take me somewhere when you see me pull up in estos, mira. They're gonna call me Little Caesar when they see the deep dish, carnal. Can we see the tires, wait? Quiero ver how much llanta.
How much meat?
Sí, meat con the potatoes.
Yeah, as you can see, we got everything.
Hey, bro, normally I'm not a big fan of rubber. I'm not. Pero así, güey, está machín, bro. Mira. It's like a treasure trove of hule everywhere you look, bro. Mira. Hey, but we got to talk numbers, carnal, because ahorita el budget, right now, the economy, we're in inflammation. There's a recession. Y hay bastante inflammation con el dinero, bro. Work with me. I don't know what you could do, pero ahorita está cabrón, bro.
If you want a discount, since you're the man, and everybody says you got pool in these streets, I say install them yourself.
Say no more, carnal. Hey, I got you. Hey, I'm never going to forget, fool. A ver, una más. ¿Ahorita está? Vamos a ver. ¡Ja, ja! ¡Yeah! ¡Woo!
Hey, I thought you were supposed to be installing.
De vato. Hey, bro. Ahorita la señora viene, bro. Es que tú estabas allá en el AC, carnal. Hey, yo antes de Monterrey tenía como 12 cabrones, güey. Ahorita se va a hacer todo, güey. Si quieres, hasta una casa también. We'll make a house también, bro.
Okay, so let's go.
Sí. Ahorita, I'm on break, bro. I'm on break.
Okay.
Ahorita sigo yo y luego la señora.